Dionela. I think that's how you say your name. Marilag. Listen, I'm half Filipino. I'll be mispronouncing my Tagalog, whatever. But I could vibe with it either way. Well, without further ado, let's check it out. I've been hearing about this because of my friend Rice Monster in chat.
Everyone dance, come on.
Hey.
Ready, come on. Hot shot running in my non-stop vertigo. Curl plot, whiskey in the teapot, ethanol. Burning like hell, 90 bright, heavenly body. Only music can define you when it sounds like.
Ooh, they got a saxophone out here too. You know he ain't ready. He went, but like way better than what I did. Oh boy, you better. Not the woes. Take my panties. Woo. Hey, that gave me chills. Hey, here we go, y'all. It's like he's singing to me and only me. Hey, hey, hey. And everybody's in perfect pitch because they're all Filipino and harmonizing. Come on, guys. Woo. Yeah. Woo. I already know this is set up. This is set up. This is not just regular fans, bro. They're in a choir together. That's why they all in sync. They're so talented. Woo. Hey, hey. Yeah, yeah. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, they brought out the horns? Oh, you know I'm a horny type of. I like horns. Got the sax out and everything. Yeah. Wow, this is fire. My boy is trying to sing in key. Look at this one, like he trying to hear the the lyrics and everything. Yeah, me too, bro. Me too, bro.
No, I don't wanna live this life without you, girl.
Okay.
Okay.
What?
Have you ever wondered what God looks like?
Kinda. Yeah.
Only to realize that you see it every time you look at your favorite person.
Oh.
Now, if this is your thing, I want everyone to sing this as loud as they can.
What do you say?
Now, if you ever wonder what God looks like, only to realize that you see it every time you look at your favorite person.
Taeyang? No, I'm playing. Hedgin!
Now, if this is your thing, I want everyone to sing this as loud as they can. Game. 3 times energy. Come on. 1, 2. Marilag. Go clap your hand. I hear my legs say you ain't beat. So divine. Say love. Say look in your eyes.
Bro, everybody in here is in choir. How they all harmonize?
Louder, what? Baby, loving it, you say me. Baby, loving you, say me.
Yeah, he hit them. I can't do it though. That was fire. Wait, Hedgina, what you coming here for? Dang, I'm late to this, huh? 2024. Marilag. I can't hit that shit. Was this already like really popping in the Philippines? But they started using it more on TikTok, no? When the live version is better than the one recorded. Not true. Imagine it at your wedding. Got me crying, bro.
We love you, Dre. We love you, Dre.
Thank you for following. Thank you for following.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon and see you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.